Hey Cyber Noobies, this is Cyber Noob here. Super excited. Today's War Games level 6 to 10. In the meantime, go to overthewire.org. Remember Bandit, click on it, and then level 6 to level 7. Let's start, shall we? So just remember, we are going to go through our port 2220, and it's Bandit 6. Let's go. Let's paste our password that we retrieved on level 5, and let's read Bandit level 6 level 7. The password for the next level is stored somewhere on the server and it has all of the following properties: owned by user Bandit 7, owned by group Bandit 6, and the size is 33. So we are going to, it says that the commands that we can use is ls, cd, cat, file, do, find, grep. Okay, so find, do, and grab. All right, so we are going to be using find, and then it tells us that the user is Bandit 7. I'm sorry, we have to put yeah, okay, so the user is Bandit 7, and then the group is Bandit 6. Group Bandit 6, and the size is 33. Yeah, the size is 33C, and then it was telling us that is somewhere, so we are going to look in the trash can. No, that's because that's where the trash can is. That's weird. It says the password is in the next level store somewhere. So if it's stored somewhere, why wouldn't it let me find? We have the user, which is Bandit 7, group Bandit 6, size 33. Then we're looking at the, oh, I'm sorry, it's not var. All right. Okay, and now we're going to cat var. Why I'm hitting tab? All right, so usually when you hit tab it will grab it. It's not letting me. Let me see if I erase it and yeah, right. Okay, so I guess var lib tpk. I know, probably you're an expert and you're looking at this and saying like, excuse me, you could just hit tab, but it's not letting me. Password. Okay, it's retrieved. Let's do it. Copy. Let's clear. I'm sorry. All right, so now we're gonna go to level 7. All right. Let's do this. So level 7 to 8. It says the password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt next to the worth millionth. So we are able to use grep, sort, unique strings, base64, tr, tar, gzip, bzip, and xxd. So we are going to be using grep here because you just want to go in and grab it. So we're gonna let me see, text, let's see what type of, okay, I think I remember when I did this level. Okay, so we're going to cat data, cataclysm, World of Warcraft. I love World of Warcraft. I play it a lot. I don't know if any of you guys are fans. Today was fun because today I was watching, I was playing, not WoW today. I was playing Borderlands. It's pretty fun. We're gonna grab, and we want to grab the worth millionth. There you go. Okay, let's do it. Copy. Let's go to the next level. Why don't you let me? It just doesn't even want to. So we're in 8. Level 8. Let's go. You see that I did it onto level 10 last time. So that's why. Level 829. So it says the password for the next level is stored in the file data text and is the only line of text that occurs only once. Grep sort unique string space 64 tr tar gzip. So we're gonna sort. Let's sort it. So kata text is cat data text. We are finding storing the and it's the only text that occurs only once. So we're gonna use we're gonna pipe it and we're gonna use unique u. Okay, and then let's sort it. Sort. Okay, so cat data text. You see, I sorted it and it's in order. We're gonna unique. Let me see. So it says the password, the level. So it's in the level. So we're going to go ahead and we sorted it. Then we're going to unique. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Perfect. No problem. That one is easy. We just piped, sorted it, a unique text, and there it is. So no problem. Let's clear it. 9. You see how he does it? You see how he does me? That I have to open it. But if you guys see in when we were playing Bandit last video, in actually over the wire in the site, one of the beginning levels, he told actually there is a description saying, hey, you're gonna have an issue, just close the window and open it back up. So it's not a Kali Linux or it's not my computer, it's something that has to do with over the wire. Okay, so we're gonna go to 9. 9. So let's see what it says. 9 to 10. Let's see. So it says the password for the next level is stored in the file data in one of the human readable strings beginning with several dash characters. Okay, so cat data text. Okay, so we're going to, okay, so it says here that we can use grep source string space 64 tr tar gzip zip. So we're gonna cat data text. We're gonna pipe strings. Yep. And then we're gonna cat data text. We're going to pipe. Let me see, it says grep sort unique strings. So we're going to, because we did cat data strings, let's grep. Just like we did the last one that we grep millionth, what we can do is that we can grep the dashes. Okay. The password for the next level, readable strings beginning with several. I mean, they're dashes, but looks more like an equal sign. Let me see. Yeah, the password is there it is. Okay. And now to 10. That's exciting. That's exciting. This is exciting. So we're gonna go to 10. Like I said in the previous video, I have gotten to level 10. I haven't done any past level 10 before. I did levels 1 through 10 in like back in September. Now I feel when we go to the next video next week, oof, it's gonna be education 101, you know. So, but I've been studying a lot. I've been doing a lot of videos and my school. I'm taking a master's degree in cybersecurity, and I'm doing a lot of the Kali Linux and cybersecurity that I feel comfortable that I will know. Okay, so level 10. It says the password for the next level is stored in the file data text, which contains base64 encoded data. This is easy. I feel like this is easy just because I was doing I'm still doing a capture the flag. It's a capture the flag, and we're working on decrypting and encrypting. So I did a lot of base64s. Base64 like just scrambles everything. So we are going to cat data text. So you see this is all completely scrambled, so we want to decode it. So then we're gonna base64. Simple. So that one I knew because I've been doing a lot of these. Thank you very much, and until next week, let's log in. Take care. Bye.